So this is gonna be like a sick mini tutorial, like it's an old tutorial that I found that I didn't edit, but you know, let's go. So I'm taking the Mama Mitchell, Me, Myself, and Mitchell palette by Beauty Bay, and this shade is going to be Marty. I'm just placing this all over the lid, and then I'm going to be taking a little bit of Shmoney, and then I'm just going to blend that shade out until I'm like satisfied. I'm going to keep going. I keep dipping into the palette because I'm taking little by little because this shade is super, super pigmented, like girl, like really pigmented. So I'm taking little by little, and I keep going back and forth until I'm super happy with how it's blended. And then after, because it's getting on the Marty shade, I'm going to be taking Marty again and blending that into Shmoney. And then just keep blending that in until like circular motions. And I'm taking my Morphe 507 brush like always. This brush is like key. It's my favorite brush. I 100% recommend this brush if you guys need a amazing brush. Like if you guys have hooded eyes and if you guys need to do like some detail in your eyes. So yeah, I was taking Marty back and forth in the outer corners and taking Shmoney in the middle because girl, I'm just in love with this look because I just used two shades and yeah, I created this beautiful look. And to top it off, I did use a Shopware Beauty glitter, the neon stack. Oh girl, their glitters are amazing. And Bilal lashes are super, super gorgeous. These are in the style baby doll, and look at them, so cute. Right, so I'm going to be taking my Milk Blur Stick, favorite, hands down, very good. I just don't like that you have to tug on your face, like that part I do not like. So now I'm going to be taking my foundation, and it's going to be in the shade, I think it's 123, and it's from Dose of Colors. Really, really good. And these e.l.f. brushes are amazing, just showing you guys that I dot it on my face, like girl. But yes, and I'm going to be taking the concealer from Dose of Color as well. I think it's just a little tad bit too light, but we made it work. So I'm going to be taking my contour stick from Cara Beauty. You guys, if you guys haven't tried these, try them because they're super good. Super creamy, and I just put it in the contours of my face. What am I even talking? But yeah, these are super, super good. If you guys want to use my code, it's just Glam by Gigi in all caps. But yeah, I'm just contouring my nose. I don't know how to contour my nose, guys, so just, you know, don't, yeah. I just do like two little lines. So taking my banana powder from ABH just to set my makeup. And I'm going to be taking my e.l.f. those, I forgot the set, the shade that I use, but it's the darkest one. And then I'm going to be taking the Laura Lee Nikki liquid lipstick, which is a really pale lipstick, but if you use a darker lip liner, it's perfect. Alright, so taking Lash Freak to complete my look, and that is it. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Bye, guys!